Hi guys, I want to do a quick video on a DIY belt squat setup that I'm going to put on my patio. I actually have 3 home gyms, one in my basement, one in my garage, one in an extension room, and I'm creating a 4th home gym on my backyard patio. But before I do, I thought I'd show you what I'm going to do. Here's a disclaimer. This is just for information purposes only, so if you decide to do it, then you assume all the risk and liabilities. Because if you drop a concrete block on your foot, well, that's on you. I'm just showing you this what I plan to do. And everything I'm saying right now is just my opinion. So let me get started. Now what I did, I bought 18 concrete construction blocks. And they're, as you can see, they're solid, 6 of them, and I got them layered crisscrossed. So 2 on the base, facing one way, 2 facing the other way, and then another 2, crisscrossed again. And I did that for each one of the 3 stacks. This stack is for the loading pin. The other 2 are platforms for my feet. And what I did, I connected a daisy chain to a anchor point. In this case, I just used a Titan Fitness kettlebell swing. A daisy chain is just a strap with multiple loops. You can buy them off of Amazon or Walmart or whatever. And if you don't have a daisy chain, if you have enough tie straps, you can do the same thing with tie straps or with a hammock strap or any type of strap. And you can even use a thick rubber resistance band. But be careful if you use that, because the biggest danger of doing DIY belt squats is going off balance. So what I did, like I said, I connected a daisy chain to a crowbar. And just off a side note here, you can buy different types of snap links, but I recommend buying the biggest one you can, and just make things a lot easier. So I'm just going to stand on the platforms. I'm going to connect to the loading pin. Grab the crowbar. I'm doing this with one hand. I would normally do this with 2 hands. Lift the loading pin up and go ahead and descend. And then back up again. The dangerous part of this movement is putting the loading pin back on the platform. And rather than swinging it, what I recommend you do, this is what I do, is I step forward on the platform of the loading pin and I just lower it down. And there you go. And I can disconnect. Now you're going to need a belt squat belt, and I have several of them. But the one I'm using today is just a cheap belt squat belt I got off of Amazon. And this brand is called Manueklear. But I've seen dip belts for as low as $20. So there you go. 18 solid concrete construction blocks. And as you can see, I use some tie straps for this. You can use a chain or whatever. And an anchor point. And what that anchor point does, and the tie strap and the crowbar, it allows me to maintain stability so I don't go off balance, which is the greatest danger when you do a belt squat. Okay, there you go. That's the information I wanted to convey. And like I said, these solid concrete construction blocks, 18 of them, cost me $3 each, so it's $54. I bought a $6 paver, to protect the loading pin. You can buy the loading pins off of Amazon or Titan Fitness, where I got mine. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.